Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We want to explain in this video a quick concept. I believe you must have been wondering why the early sailors, those that drove the ship, why they used what we know as a compass. Right now, the compass is made of a needle, and that needle is actually a magnet, just like this bar magnet I'm holding in my hands, right? Now, what do they use that compass for? They simply use that compass to locate the North Pole, or to locate the north direction and the south direction. They noticed that whenever they aligned their compass, the north pole of that compass would always point in a certain direction, and they decided to call that direction north. So, and this became common, so that whenever you bring a magnet and suspend that magnet freely, that magnet would always point towards the north direction. And the reason why this happens like this is because the earth as a whole is a giant bar magnet, and then this magnet aligns in such direction so that it is attracted by the bar magnet of the earth. Now, the part where this north pole of this our bar magnet aligns is actually called the north pole of the earth, of the earth's magnetic field, even though that north pole of the earth's magnetic field behaves as a south pole. So it's just a difference in convention. The early people that named it, they actually named it differently. But you should know that our bar magnet would align because it is attracted to the earth's magnetic field. So that part of the earth where it aligns is named the North Pole. But in actual sense, that North Pole behaves as a south that attracts our own magnets north. Now let's see how this magnet would align if I suspend it. Now you'd notice it suspends this way. Now if you check the part that is facing forward, because normally this part facing forward is actually my north. So this, I'm in Enugu State, and this side is towards Benue, right? So that is actually my north. So if you check it, you will notice that is the north pole of this magnet. So let's see, you can see that is the north pole of this magnet. So let me try to turn it this way and see if it can suspend. You'll notice it won't, it will begin to oscillate. Let's see. Yeah, it will begin to oscillate so that it can align in the proper way. So if I try to hold it again, it will align in that certain direction. So let's see. So it will align like this. It would align such that when you check it again, you'll notice that it's still pointing in same direction. So the principle here you can see is the principle of magnetism, right? I believe this is clear. Thanks for watching.